Greetings and welcome, my dear fellow Barbie collectors. Today I'm going to show you my amazing Barbie shoe parade. Okay, the earliest Barbie shoes that were available are open toes for Barbie. They were already produced in 1959. I think it's a bit cold to wear them in winter, but luckily I'm no Barbie doll. Some of the very early outfits had no shoes. The open toes are made of hard plastic and they were produced in Japan. These little spike heels were also produced in Japan. They appear around 1965. Outfits like junior designer or modern art came with the spike heel. They are made of hard plastic and you often see broken shoes or shoes with splits. The white ones here are called skipper flat. They appear in 1963. You find the first flats often with a split in the middle of the top of the shoe. Maybe the construction was too tight for socks or something like this. The next pair of shoes belongs to Francie. They are called Francie kitten heels. They were also produced in Japan and they are very soft and have a very squishy plastic material. The next shoe is called Francie squishy bow heel. It's also very soft plastic and various outfits had the squishy soft heels. These shoes were also produced in Japan. The next shoe is called Barbie square toe pump. They were made in Korea and they are made from hard plastic. The production started around 1970. They came with various outfits like bridal dresses. The next type is called Pilgrim. They appear also around 1970. Some of them have no markings and they are made from hard plastic. A lot of outfits from the 1970s came with Pilgrim. They are very popular among the collectors but hard to find. The next shoe type is also very popular among collectors. These shoes were also made of a very soft plastic. This shoe type is very fragile. You find often shoes with broken straps. So it's hard to find shoes in good condition for collectors. The next shoe type is called narrow pump. It's from the 1980s. Disadvantage: to break very easily. I use two different shoes for you as a better demonstration because you can't see it so well when it's only black. They sit very tight on Barbie's feet. Maybe that's why they break very often. I hope you can see very well how tight they are cut. And in comparison to the 1980 pumps, I'm going to show you a 1990s pump. Now, that's the next shoe in our fabulous, amazing Barbie shoe parade. These pumps are widespread in the 1990s. And you find them often with a China marking. Okay, here's a good comparison. You can see how much material was used for the 1990 pump. Okay, I have still several boots for you. The first white one I think appeared around 1980. This one here is made out of hard plastic. It has a marking, but the marking is hard to read for me. This form was used for the Hollywood Hair Barbie 2. The brown boot here is from the 1970s or 1980s. The plastic is very soft and the shoe can't stand alone. The last boot I'm going to show you is an unknown model which appeared in the 1990s and disappeared around 2000. The model has no real name. If you know the name, please let me know. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget every Friday comes a new exciting video for you. Thanks!